Hey guys, this is Harshvardhan Singh and this is a Metamask tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to add a custom token to Metamask. And first of all, if you need help with adding a network, also known as RPC, you can go to this link and it says connecting Metamask to Binance Smart Chain. It has a network name, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer URL. I already have that added, as you can see, so I have the Binance Smart Chain added. But if you don't have it, you can go to support, networks, and from here you can add it. Binance Smart Chain by default is added to Metamask these days, so you are good to go. As soon as you are on the screen, click on import token. It will ask for the token contract address. I don't have BUSD or Binance USD, so let's try that. Go to coinmarketcap.com. As you can see, I'm there. Let's head over to BUSD, also known as Binance USD. Click on the contract address. Make sure it matches up. This is not the one. It's BNB Beacon Chain BEP2. We are looking for BEP20. This is the right one, BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Copy this one. Once you have copied that, go back to Metamask, paste it over here. It should detect the token symbol automatically. As you can see, it just typed that in for me. Once you are happy with the changes, click on add custom token. It will prompt you again whether you want to import BUSD or not. I would like to import that, so I'll click on import tokens. As you can see, I now have BUSD in my wallet. If I click on here, view asset in Explorer, it will open the corresponding BAC scan of the token, and over here the contract address is visible. And that's how you can add a custom token to Metamask wallet. And if you need to add a custom network, for example in this case, Binance Smart Chain was already added. If you wanted to add something like Avalanche or something else, you will have to go to Google and search for the network RPC. You are looking for this information, the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and the blocks explorer URL, and it will differ for different networks. So there we have it. That's how you can add a custom token in Metamask.